A common question we get from people just getting into paint correction is, what's the difference between a compound and a polish? It's a pretty simple question to answer. A compound will always be more aggressive than a polish. You use compounds when you're trying to remove deeply embedded scratches and swirls. Usually a compound will leave behind a haze or some marring in the paint, meaning that it's not perfectly clear. That's where your polish comes in. So polishes are less aggressive and they're used for removing those final swirls and scratch marks in the paint and to give you a nice clear finish that you can apply a coating on top of. It's important to mention that compounds and polishes are not a one-size-fits-all thing, and the different pads and machines you use can play a pretty significant role in how the paint is finishing out. That being said, for 90% of cars, we found that Jesscar's Correcting Compound paired with a Rupes yellow microfiber pad, followed up by Sonac's Perfect Finish and a Rupes yellow foam pad, works pretty well to remove 99% of scratches. Every car's paint is different, especially depending if it's hard paint, soft paint, new paint, or old paint. So it's always a good idea to have a pretty good variety of compounds, polishes, and pads. Hopefully you now have an understanding of how to go about shopping for these and maybe where they fall in your process. You can get the compounds and polishes we have here on our website at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any specific questions, you can let us know in the comments or reach out to support@obsessedgarage.com.